previously traded, unfortunately unsuccessfully, so that's why I've come to learn to trade, because their trading system is very structured, so it almost guarantees you not to fail.
I've got 5 kids, so a lot of mouths to feed, but also very expensive holidays. Financial freedom is, I don't know whose dream it isn't, it's definitely mine. Part of this, I'd like to, influence other people into wanting to do the same sort of thing.
One reason why I wanted to do trading is to be a young female entrepreneur and be a leader to other young females that they can be a successful trader and be financially independent.
I wanted to learn to trade just to take my lifestyle into a different situation. Well, I have too much work and I need to sort of calm that down a little bit. I need to pull back. It's a bit too much for me. So this would be a better way.
It's very hard for you not to put a trade on that's not going to be successful, and along with the training that you get here, it just put it all together, and it's an awesome package.
The Learn to Trade environment has been great. It's been really, really motivating. The guys have got your best interest at heart and they want to see you do well and to succeed.
If you're at home actually just in front of your computer trying to learn from YouTube and things like that, it doesn't help you from the mindset point of view, because you don't have that environment around you. But once you come over here, you have coaches who have been through different experiences, and there's so much you can learn from them, because there's nothing new that you've done that they haven't done.
I'd especially like to thank Learn to Trade for helping me bring this together and help me bring my lifestyle to a different level.
Thanks Learn to Trade for introducing me to this new thing called trading, and something that I thought I would never ever be interested in, but now it's so addictive. It's really good.
Sky's the limit. I'm coming at you, Greg.